everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I am going to be doing a Blingline set on my flexi hand. Right, I've prepped the nails and I have got some Blingline products here. I'm using Penny. This is a gorgeous blue electric blue, but it's not electric blue, it's just like a blue. I've got Snow White, which is exactly what it says it is on the tin. And then I've got some Cool One Step gel. This is the clear self-leveling gel, which I like to use for encapsulating. And I have also got some Super Bond, which is necessary for great adhesion. And then I've got some glitters. I've got Diamond Dust. These are from Nail Sugar. I love this one. This is a fine iridescent glitter. I have got Ethereal or Ethereal, I don't know how you say it. This is a really gorgeous, oh, so nice. So I love this one so much. We're going to be using this one, and I thought I'd throw in some snowflakes as well, because why not? So yeah, you can get 10% off any glitters from Nail Sugar using code NATMUG10. Also, the Blingline is from the Little Nail Shop, and I also have a 10% off discount code NATMUG for that as well. So to start with, we are applying our Super Bond to the nails. So once you've prepped your nails, dehydrated and primed, you would then go in with your Super Bond. So you have to work the Super Bond into the nail. You need the smallest amount, and you cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Then, before I do the design, I'm going to go over with a thin coat of Cool One Step gel. I will put this on and then I'll leave it just to sort of self-level a little bit, but by the time you've done the last nail, the other nails will have kind of sort of self-leveled anyway, so you just got to wait for that last sort of, I like the nail to be nice and smooth before I put it in the lamp. So I'm going to just carry on doing all 4 of the nails, although you'd be doing 5 obviously, and then I'll cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Then at the time I didn't really know, like I do sets of nails and I just wing it really. So I start off using the Snow White on the index finger. I'm going to go in with my first coat. Then I'm going to put a another coat of this on the middle finger. I was going to say the ring finger then, because I held the ring finger. So yeah, so make sure your coats aren't, you don't want them thick, you just need sort of nice thin coats, and then they can cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to go over with my second coat. So I'm going to apply this to the middle finger as well. We're going to do our second coat on the middle finger. I was faffing. You know me, I do like to faff sometimes. So once I have gone over the middle finger, I'm not going to cure this yet, and I will show you why. So again, just make sure there's a little fibre in there. It was really annoying. In the end, I think I just brushed over it. Look, I was trying to get it out. I couldn't quite find it, and it really bugged me. Anyway, yeah, look, I was like, oh my gosh, I will get it. Oh, do I get it? Yes, look, I did in the end. Oh, it's so annoying. I blame the silicone hand. So I'm not going to cure this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of that really nice blue. I've just cleaned the white off my brush, and I'm going to dip it into Penny. And I'm going to place her across the nail. And I'm going to do sort of several lines using the Penny, the blue. And again, this is in the uncured white as well, don't forget. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just sort of tap it with my brush, just to kind of make sort of a marbly look. But I just kind of wanted the blue to sort of blend a little bit in with the white. Obviously not like ombre blend, but just sort of, yeah. But do you know what, in the end it doesn't really matter, because I ended up covering this whole nail up with glitter. I'm going to work on the ring finger now. I'm going to go over this one with some Cool One Step Gel. I'm only going to put a thin coat of this. And then again, we're going to kind of do a bit of a marble thing on this now. Oh, that was a yawn that came out of nowhere. I feel really tired today. I didn't sleep very well last night. I was buying Christmas presents at stupid o'clock in the morning. Okay, so I've got my detailer brush, and with my detailer brush, I'm just going to dip it into the white, and I'm going to work the colour through the clear Cool One Step Gel, and I'm going to bring the white up and around that cuticle area just to make sure that the cuticle area is, I want it sort of neat. I don't want it to be messy, but I'm just going to bring some of that colour down, like, you know, like making a bit of a marble. And then I will use some of the blue. I just clean the brush off. By cleaning the brush off, I just wipe it between a lint-free wipe, and then I just carry on with the blue. So I'm going to do sort of the same with the white as I did with the blue. No, the same with the blue as I did with the white. And I am going to leave some clear bits because I do quite like, so I think gel, I love the transparency of gel. So I kind of like to, every now and then, I like to leave a little bit of a clear bit. So I've cured that in the lamp. Then I'm going to take some of the Diamond Dust glitter from Nail Sugar. I'm going to place a little bit in a tray. Here we are. And then I've got like an old brush. Just tap it. You don't need a lot, just a little bit. We're just going to kind of burnish the glitter into the middle finger. So I kind of dab it over and then brush it down like that. And then I'm going to try and get off the excess. Then I'm going to take a thin layer again of the Cool One Step Gel, and I'm going to cover the whole nail. Now hopefully, because you've burnished it in, you shouldn't have like lots of that glitter moving. But I'm going to, yeah, we're not going to cure this. Once we've covered the whole nail, I'm actually going to go in with some of that ethereal glitter. This one is lovely. Have a look at this. Yes, please. Oh, it's just amazing. And it looks so nice on white. Also looks really nice on clear. I'm going to put this on the pinky. And it's going to be a clear pinky. And it looks really nice. So I was going to sort of put some dots on here and there. But then I just went a little bit mad, and I was like, do you know what? I'm just going to cover the whole nail. This glitter it's one of those glitters that just looks absolutely amazing, encapsulated in gel. So I'm just using the gel product that's on the end of my brush, and I'm going to dunk that into the glitter in the tray, and then I'm going to transfer it into the uncured gel on the nail. And then I didn't want to miss out on these snowflakes, so I've just popped a snowflake in the middle. They are quite big. Yeah, they are quite big, and I do end up filing some of it off on the... I'm going to put one on the index finger, and I do end up filing a little bit of one off, which I was a little bit annoyed about. But that was my fault. So back to the... Back to the ring finger. This now I decided to put some glitter on, but following the lines of the marble, and I'm just going to do sort of like 3 or 4 lines of glitter. So 3, I suppose, 1 at the very top and then 2. And yeah, I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure. Okay, so this one, the index, I decided again I was going to put some glitter on. I went a little bit, I don't know if I went overkill with the glitter on this set, but I'm going to use the gel to create a glitter swoosh. So I'm just putting the glitter in the areas where I want the swoosh to be. Again, I mean, I faff a little bit here. And then I decided that I wanted to put a snowflake on this one. I kind of wished I'd not bothered with the snowflake for this nail. I kind of feel like it didn't really need it, but it was too late. It's too late now, obviously, because I've already done it. Okay, and then once I'm happy that that's relatively even and straight, I'm going to pop it in the lamp to cure. And then lastly, I'm going to do the pinky, which I'm just going to leave see-through because I do like a see-through nail. I'm going to just put a layer of Cool One Step gel, and then into that One Step gel, like we did the middle finger, I'm going to go in with the ethereal glitter. Don't worry if you don't cover the whole nail, because it is kind of nice to have a little bit, what am I trying to say? It's nice to have some gaps between the glitter, especially when you're doing like a clear nail. So don't worry too much. And then in a minute, I was just trying to make sure they were nice and flat. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of those big snowflakes and I'm going to cut it in half, because I knew I wouldn't get a whole one of these on the pinky. So I'm going to cut it in half and I'm going to put it on the pinky just at the side, so that I've got like half a snowflake coming on. Now I wish I'd done this on the index, but I had half at the top and half at the bottom, like on one side of the nail. Do you know what I mean? I don't know, I wish I'd done that. Anyway, now it's time to encapsulate. Oh, I did cure that, by the way. I've just put a little bit of Cool One Step gel over the nail. Then I'm going to take a bigger bead, and you can't see because I'm out of shot, and I'm going to pillow that back up towards the cuticle area, and then I'm going to work it down the nail. And I did have to go back in with a little bit more. But then again, I'm going to work that product down. And then I like to hold the nail upside down just to make sure, I like to move the gel to make sure that I've got it nice and even-ish, so that I don't have to do lots of filing. So I'm going to carry on and encapsulate the rest of the nails. Then I will file and buff, which I have done already. And now we're going to use the wet finish to top coat. The wet finish has like a violet-y tint. It's to stop any kind of yellowing that you might get. So that is a good thing, but it cures clear, so you're not gonna see that. Anyway, this is top coating time. I haven't said that for ages. Top coating time. Yeah, I really have a look in a minute at the middle finger. Oh, it's just so nice. I like the pinky as well, actually. Are you ready for this? Oh, my days. I think that glitter is absolutely beautiful. Doesn't that look really like nice and icy? Can you see? You can see this one where I've snipped off some of that snowflake. I filed some of the snowflake off. But pretend I haven't. Just don't look. Just don't look at this one. Turn your head away from the screen. Okay, now you can turn it back. Here we go. Ta-da! I'm going to pop those in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Then when they come out, the wet finish has a tacky layer. So I'm going to take one of my Blingline wipes that looks like it's got a honeycomb pattern on. I've only just realised. I kind of like that. And the Blingline cleanser. And we are going to wipe off that tacky layer. Leave the nails to cool for a couple of minutes. And then give it a really, really good buff. And honestly, they look just as shiny as what they did before you took that look. Oh, the wet finish is really nice. I really like the wet finish. So you want to buff the nail until you get that that kind of squeaky clean kind of, do you know what I mean? Yeah, and I'll show you the finished set. Here they are. Oh my gosh, they're so icy and glassy. I don't like the index finger. I'm not even sure if I like this set very much, but I really, really like that middle finger. That's going to be my favourite. So yeah, anyway, if you did like this video, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. I'm just gonna show you the set for a little bit longer because I really like the middle finger and I actually really like the pinky. You'll have to let me know which is your favourite in the comments below. I think I left this going on for a little bit too long. And I'm just going to show you from this way again, like it makes any difference. Anyway, all the websites and the discount codes will be in the description box. Thank you for watching, and I will see you beautiful lot tomorrow with a brand new video. Bye!